We've been exploring some fantastic tax lien and tax deed opportunities across various counties in the United States. We've already covered California and Arizona, and now we're focusing on how you can achieve returns of up to 18% through Florida tax certificate sales. In this episode, we will cover Broward County. But before you watch, I highly recommend you check out our video that gives an overview of Florida's tax certificate system. You'll find it earlier in this series. It's a great premiere to get you up to speed on the unique aspects of Florida's tax lien and deed market. Why is Broward County a great choice for real estate and tax lien investing? Broward County's real estate market is booming, making it an ideal spot for investors. The county offers a mix of quality living, excellent schools, safety, and affordable waterfront properties, making it attractive for both residents and investors. It's a place where investment potential and quality of life go hand in hand. So to get started with tax lien or deed investing in Broward County, navigate to the Broward County website, locate the Records and Taxes tab, and scroll down to the Frequently Asked Questions section, where you will find all the necessary details, including access to the tax certificate bid site and tax deed auction site. Make sure to go through tax certificate sale and tax deeds links. Before we continue, if you're here and you're new to the channel, I want to introduce myself. My name's Dustin Hahn, and I've been doing tax liens and deeds now for over 20 years, and this channel is here to help you as a new investor learn how to make anywhere between 8 to 36% with tax lien certificates and buy tax deed property for up to 95% below market value. So if you like this information, hit the thumbs up on this video, helps the channel, and make sure to subscribe so you can be up to date on all the latest trainings. And just for tuning in the bio and the link below, I have a totally free mini course called The ABCs of Tax Lien and Deed Investing. It's going to show you how to get started here today. It's 100% free. It's my gift for you for saying thanks for tuning in. All right, back to the show. What is the auction process in Broward County? Broward County used a proxy bidding system. Proxy bidding is essentially a smart bidding strategy used in online auctions. It's like having an automated system bid on your behalf, ensuring you don't overpay on tax lien certificates. Here's how it works. As an investor, you decide the lowest interest rate you're comfortable accepting for each tax certificate. Once the auction starts, the proxy bidding system, acting like your personal bidding assistant, enters the fray. It starts bidding down your interest rate in small steps, just quarter decrements. This process continues until your bid is the last standing or it reaches the minimum rate you set. Why use proxy bidding? It takes the pressure off you during the fast-paced auction environment. Instead of manually adjusting your bids, the system does it for you, ensuring you don't go below your acceptable interest rate. It's efficient, precise, and saves you the headache of constant monitoring. A few key things to note in proxy bidding. 1. 0% bids are direct and not considered proxy. 2. If you're the only bidder and your rate is above 0, the system will start at 18%. 3. In a tie, the winner is picked randomly. 4. Your bid will never go below your set minimum rate. And 5. Unbid certificates revert to the county at 18%. Proxy bidding not only helps you secure tax lien certificates at optimal rates, but also maintains a streamlined process for both investors and the county, ensuring a fair and effective auction experience. Today's pro tip: remember to bid responsibly in the clerk's online sales and avoid shady practices. Engaging in bad faith or disruptive bidding, like representing organizations under your own name, may result in a temporary 2-date ban. Disruptive behavior includes bidding below the displayed plaintiff's high bid. Repeated offenses could lead to a permanent ban. Follow the county instruction and bid smartly. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. If you like this content, please go ahead, hit the thumbs up on this video. It helps others see this content as well. Make sure to subscribe so you can be up to date on all the latest trainings. From there, make sure to grab a copy of the free mini course below. You'll be off to the races. And there's a link below as well if you want to book a call with us and ask some questions. Until next time, we'll see you soon.